Okay, so you know how everyone's always talking about alt season?
Right.
Like, when's it going to happen?
Right.
When are all the altcoins going to just
Yeah.
explode in value?
Huge gains, right?
Yeah, like those crazy times back in like 2013, 2014,
Uh-huh.
or 2017,
Yeah,
2018,
yeah.
when you had coins like Ether and XRP and Litecoin.
Big ones.
Yeah, they were just making people a ton of money.
Absolutely.
So the thing is, the crypto world, it's kind of changed a lot since then.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Back then, we were only looking at like a few thousand altcoins.
Right.
Now, get this, over 36.4 million.
It's a different world.
It's insane, right?
Wild.
So that's what we're going to deep dive into today.
Love it.
Like, what does this insane number of altcoins actually mean for all of us?
Right. Is alt season even a thing anymore?
Exactly.
With so many coins out there, can any one of them really, like, take over the market?
Right, because I was reading this analysis by Ali Martinez.
Oh.
He is a crypto analyst, and he was looking at data from Dune Analytics. Yeah, they're pretty awesome.
Yeah, they track all the blockchain stuff.
Exactly.
Super useful.
Yeah, so Martinez is saying that with this massive number of altcoins, it's just way harder for any single coin to get enough attention
Right.
to really kick off an alt season.
Makes sense. It's like trying to stand out in a crowd of millions.
Yeah. It's crazy to think about it. Like in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
there were only like, what, 3,000 altcoins?
Yeah. Something like that.
Now it's like 12 times that.
It's wild to think about how much things have changed.
Yeah, and another thing, I was reading this economist, Alex Kruger.
Okay, yeah, I've heard of him.
He's saying that there might actually be too many coins now.
Like more coins than people who want them.
Yeah, basically. He calls it like supply and demand.
Oh, interesting.
Like there are more coins being created than there are people to buy them.
That's a problem, right?
Yeah, that's what Kruger is worried about.
So if he's right, does that mean alt season is just gone?
I mean, that's the big question, right?
Yeah.
Like Kruger's thinking that even if we have an alt season in the future,
Okay.
it might be super short.
Like a few days.
Yeah, days or weeks, not months like we used to see.
Wow. That would be tough for investors.
Oh, for sure.
Eh.
Like, how do you even time the market then?
Yeah, you'd have to be incredibly lucky or incredibly smart.
Or both, maybe.
Probably both.
So then you got all these meme coins popping up too.
Oh, don't even get me started on meme coins.
I know, right?
It's like the Wild West out there.
I was reading this crypto trader, Ash Crypto.
Okay.
He is not a fan of meme coins.
I can imagine why not.
He's saying that some exchanges are listing these meme coins
Yeah.
just to get more people trading.
Just to increase their volume?
Yeah,
That's not good.
not good for who?
The investors, right.
Right,
Especially the new ones who don't really know what they're doing.
exactly. And Ash Crypto is pointing out how some of these meme coins,
Yeah.
they can lose like 80% of their value in a week.
That's insane.
It's terrifying.
It's like gambling, not investing.
Yeah, that's a good point.
People need to be careful.
Yeah, for sure. So it's not all doom and gloom, though.
Okay, good.
There's some analysts who are still pretty optimistic about altcoins.
Like who?
Michael van de Poppe.
Oh, yeah, I follow him on Twitter.
He's pretty popular.
Yeah, he's got some interesting ideas.
He's saying that even with all this craziness going on,
Uh-huh.
there are still altcoins that have the potential to do really well.
He's not just talking about meme coins, right?
No, not at all. He's specifically talking about altcoins that have real-world use cases,
Okay, that makes more sense.
like they're actually solving problems.
Right. They have utility.
Exactly. And he's also saying that altcoins that are attracting institutional interest.
Like big investors.
Yeah, hedge funds and
Right,
institutions.
that's interesting.
Like he thinks those are the ones to watch.
So is he saying that institutional investors are the key?
I think he's saying that they're a good indicator.
Right. Like if they're putting money into an altcoin,
Yeah.
it's probably worth a look.
Exactly. And van de Poppe is actually really bullish on Ethereum.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah, he thinks it could lead a huge rally in the future.
Even with all the other altcoins out there.
Yeah, he even calls it the most hated rally of 2025.
That's a bold prediction.
It is, but it makes you think, right?
For sure.
Okay, so let's zoom out a bit and look at the whole market.
Okay.
Bitcoin is still king.
Right. Oh, yeah. Still big dog.
Its market cap has more than doubled since 2021.
Really? That's impressive.
Yeah, it's at like $2.87 trillion.
Wow.
And then all the altcoins combined.
Yeah.
Their total market cap is $1.6 trillion.
So Bitcoin's still way ahead.
Way ahead.
That's wild.
And that brings us to another interesting prediction
Okay, I'm all ears.
from Ki Young Ju.
Who's that?
He's the CEO of CryptoQuant.
Okay, never heard of him.
He's saying that As the crypto market matures,
Uh-huh.
only a few altcoins are going to survive.
Like the strongest ones.
Yeah, the ones that have actual utility.
Okay, that kind of makes sense.
Like he thinks the market's going to weed out all the fluff.
The meme coins and the ones without any real use.
Yeah, basically. So it's not just about finding the next big pump and dump anymore.
Right.
It's about finding the altcoins that are going to be around for the long haul.
The ones that are building something real.
Yeah, that's the key takeaway here.
So what are we supposed to do? Just give up on altcoins?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
It just means we have to be smarter about how we invest.
Like do our research.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And really think about which altcoins have staying power.
Right. Not just chasing hype.
Exactly. So as we wrap this up, think about this.
Okay.
If only a handful of altcoins are going to make it in the long run,
Right.
what are the criteria you would use to pick those winners?
Yeah. What are the factors that you think are most important?
Food for thought, right?
Definitely. A lot to think about.
Absolutely.
Thanks for diving into this with me.
Of course.
Anytime.
I always learn something new on these deep dives.
Me too. It's fascinating stuff.
Yeah, it really is.
All right. That's it for today. Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.